Sezvatakataura, binary can only be represented using 2 digits, 1 and 0. Ngatitarisei converting 29 base 10 to binary. Method yatoshandisa todivide na2 totreka marimainder edu. So for our step 1, we are going to divide 29 by 2. We get 14, remainder 1. Then the 14 we had got on our answer, we divide it again by 2 to honor 7, remainder 0. Our 7, we divide it again by 2 and we get 3, remainder 1. Our 3, we are going to divide it by 2 again and we get 1, remainder 1. Our 1 as well, we are going to divide it by 2 and we get 0, remainder 1. Now as we have got 0, we are going to read from the bottom up. So we will take our answer as 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2. That is the representation of 29 in base 2. Let's take a look at binary addition, adding in base 2. As we have discussed, binary can only represent 2 digits, 0 and 1. So there are certain rules that we follow when adding, but it's just the same as adding in denary. Binary addition. So tichatanga nekuadd the rightmost column where we have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 tikaedda tinoona 2. 2 divided by 2 tinoona 1 remainder 0. Tonyora 0 wedu, then we carry our 1. Then again for the next column, 1 plus 0 plus 1 watakera tinoona 2. Tikadivide na 2 tinoona 1 remainder 0. We write our remainder and carry our 1. Again 0 plus 1 the carry, we get 2. Divided by 2 we get 1 remainder 0. Tonyora remainder edu 0. Then we proceed to the next column. 1 plus 1 plus 1 tinoona 3. 3 divided by 2 tinoona 1 remainder 1. First we write our remainder, then tonyora carry wedu yawea. Then we are done with all the columns. So our answer we get 1100 base 2.